Hello, hello, Marilyn here, your optimism guru, ready to spread a little daily cheer in your world. Today, I just want to jump on here real quick because I want to give you a little bit of encouragement. If you are guilty of doing this thing that I do, take heart. So, I have a tendency to over-dream, over-goal, over-plan, over everything. I say yes to lots of things and then the reality happens. I want to encourage you and remind you that you truly can have everything that you want. It just might not all be at the same time. You don't have to have it all right now, okay? So dream big, plan big, goal big. Just imagine everything in your life that you could ever want or accomplish or get excited about, and get excited about it. And that's cool. And then choose the things that you can feasibly work towards in your life right now. Work towards the things that will challenge you, yet are still feasible right now. And then those other goals can be the next things, or they'll evolve and you'll get a whole new list of goals. So I just want to remind you that you can have everything you want, but you don't have to have it all right now. So have patience, take heart, enjoy the journey of this life as much as the destination, and until I see you again, I hope that you are making it a great day.